If you are comparing RV brands right now, Keystone, Jayco, Heartland, Airstream, Forest River, stop for 60 seconds. Because those 5 brands are not 5 competitors. They are 2 corporations. And both of them built your floor out of the same material used for hollow core interior doors. Lauan plywood, $11 a sheet. Standard in nearly every travel trailer on the market today. When it gets wet, and it will get wet, it turns to mush. The average repair bill is $15,000. The average warranty window is 12 months. The manufacturer knew both of those numbers before you signed anything. Here is what they were counting on you not finding out. The RV industry has a problem it does not want you to find before you sign the paperwork. Not the kind buried in a forum somewhere. The kind investigated by the Wall Street Journal, reported by Reuters, documented in federal recall databases, and completely ignored the moment a salesman hands you a brochure about freedom on the open road. 2 corporations own almost everything on that lot. One of them is Thor Industries, based in Elkhart, Indiana. The other is Forest River, a subsidiary of Berkshire Hathaway, Warren Buffett's company. Together, they control roughly 75% of the recreational vehicle market in the United States. Keystone is Thor. Heartland is Thor. Jayco is Thor. Forest River is Berkshire Hathaway. Airstream, the iconic silver trailer you have seen at every campsite, is also Thor. When you spend 3 weekends comparing those brands online, you are not comparing competitors. You are rearranging the same furniture in the same room, and both rooms were built the same way. Before we get into the 5 brands, you need to understand Elkhart. Nearly 9 out of every 10 RVs sold in the United States are built in Indiana, most of them within 30 miles of Elkhart. It is the RV capital of the world. It is also where every brand on your shopping list was assembled, by workers paid not by the hour, but by the piece. Piece rate pay means this: a worker building your trailer wall gets paid per wall completed. The faster they work, the more they take home. A slow, careful worker sealing a window properly earns less than a fast one who moves on. Reuters investigated Elkhart's factories in 2017. The Wall Street Journal investigated them again in 2025. Both found the same thing. The RV industry has more recalls than the automobile industry, driven by manufacturing errors, insufficient oversight, and haste. In one case, workers punctured microwaves they were installing with screws that were the incorrect length. In another, inspectors discovered misaligned furnace flues a month after the employee who was checking them quit. In 2023, one manufacturer recalled 50 total campers after workers installed the wrong fuse into power distribution centers, a fire risk sitting in people's driveways. This is the floor your RV was built on. Now let's talk about who built it. Brand number 5, Keystone RV. Keystone is the largest travel trailer manufacturer in North America by volume. It is a Thor Industries subsidiary. The brands you know, Cougar, Montana, Passport, Outback, are all assembled in Elkhart under the same piece rate system. A new Keystone Cougar retails for around $45,000. Keystone has had more NHTSA safety recalls in the past decade than most car manufacturers, despite producing far fewer vehicles. The specific failure mode to know before you buy: slide-out room seals. When the seal fails, and on Keystones they do, water tracks down the wall cavity, hits the lauan subfloor, and the floor fails. The repair estimate for a full subfloor replacement runs between $8,000 and $15,000. That is not covered once you are outside the warranty window, and the warranty window on a Keystone is 12 months. Brand number 4, Heartland RV, also Thor. Heartland was founded in 2003 and acquired by Thor Industries in 2010. The product lines, Bighorn, Cyclone, Sundance, sit in the mid to upper price bracket, which is what makes this particularly frustrating. A Bighorn fifth wheel retails for $60,000 to $80,000. The construction is laminated wall panels, a wood frame wrapped in thin fiberglass sheeting bonded with adhesive. When moisture gets in, and on Heartlands it does, the laminate separates from the frame. You will see it as a bubbling or warping on the exterior wall. It is called delamination. The repair, caught early, runs $3,000 to $5,000 per panel. Caught late, it is a structural rebuild. And moisture gets in through the same seals assembled by the same piece rate workforce. Brand number 3, Jayco. This one requires a specific date. Before 2016, Jayco was the largest privately owned RV manufacturer in the world. Family run, a name on the door that meant something. The build quality was genuinely different, not perfect, but built with accountability. In 2016, Thor Industries acquired Jayco for $576 million. Within 2 years, owners on forums were reporting a consistent and clear quality shift. Seals that used to hold did not. Screws that used to be flush were not. The Thor CEO at the time described the acquisition as a long-term investment in quality and scale. What it actually delivered was a Jayco built on the same Elkhart assembly line by the same piece rate workforce as every other Thor product. You are paying for a brand name that no longer exists in the form you think you are buying. Brand number 2, Forest River. Forest River is Berkshire Hathaway's play in this market. Warren Buffett's company bought it in 2005. It now sells over 100,000 RVs per year, generating more than $6 billion in revenue annually. From 2015 to 2024, no automaker or RV company issued more recalls than Forest River, and nearly half of those recalls stemmed from manufacturing errors rather than faulty parts or poor engineering, according to federal data, analyzed by the Wall Street Journal. The piece rate system here is identical to Thor's. The failure modes are identical. The price tags are identical. What is also identical? The fine print on your warranty. Brand number 1, Airstream. Airstream is the luxury brand in this conversation. An Airstream Globetrotter retails for between $68,000 and $110,000. The aluminum shell is genuinely different. That part of the reputation is earned. It will not rot. But the floor system under that iconic shell uses the same vulnerable plywood construction as every other RV on this list. In 2021, a woman posted on the Airstream Owners Forum, 2021 Globetrotter, mushy floor already. The unit was 18 months old. The repair estimate was $15,000. Airstream's response: out of warranty. The floor failed because the window and door seals, assembled by a piece rate worker with an incentive to move fast, not carefully, allowed water to track into the subfloor until it failed. $68,000, 18 months, $15,000 to fix it. And Airstream knew this was possible when they handed you the keys. Here is what you can actually do. Before buying any RV, new or used, run the VIN through the NHTSA recall database at nhtsa.gov. It is free and takes 30 seconds. Walk the exterior and press firmly on every wall panel. Any flex, any soft spot, any hollow sound, walk away. Bring a screwdriver and probe the floor in every corner, under every cabinet, around every door frame. If it sinks, the floor is already failing. If you want an RV built outside the Thor and Forest River system, look at Oliver Travel Trailer, Lance Trailers, or Airstream models made before 2015. They cost more up front. They are also still standing in 10 years. The rule is this: the RV industry does not sell you a vehicle, it sells you a lifestyle, and it counts on you loving it too much to look at what it is actually built from. Next week, we are looking at the refrigerator compressor scam and why the brand sitting in your kitchen right now may already be planning its own death. Subscribe so you do not miss it.